If Blender is crashing when you switch render modes, or your project keeps freezing during rendering, this quick troubleshooting guide can help. In this video, I'll show you a simple set of settings changes that can reduce GPU strain, improve stability, and help stop those annoying render crashes. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Blender fixes and workflow tips. Let's jump in. First, go up to Edit, then Preferences, and open the System section. This is where Blender handles the core hardware and graphics communication settings. Once you're in System, look for the Render Devices area and select Vulkan. If you're currently using an older graphics backend, switching to Vulkan can help reduce modern GPU-related crashes and improve stability in heavier scenes. Next, enable the hardware acceleration option that matches your graphics card. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, check OptiX. If you're using an AMD card, check HIP. This lets Blender use your GPU more efficiently during rendering, which can help speed things up while also reducing instability on compatible systems. Now move over to the Render Properties tab. You'll find this by clicking the camera icon. This section controls the settings for the active project, so it's the right place to make adjustments that affect your render performance. Inside Render Properties, expand the Simplify panel and turn it on. Simplify is very useful because it lets you limit how much pressure Blender puts on your hardware without changing every material or object one by one. After enabling it, set texture limit to 2048 or even lower if your scene is still too heavy. This can help prevent out-of-memory errors by reducing the size of textures used during rendering. While you're still in the render-related settings, lower the max samples value in the Viewport section to 32. This reduces the workload Blender has to calculate while you're switching views or previewing the scene. If your system is struggling, even a small sample reduction can make a big difference in stability and responsiveness. If your scene needs it, expand the film panel and turn on transparent. This can reduce some of the background processing overhead, especially when you're working with compositing, alpha channels, or scenes that don't need a solid background. After that, go to the Output Properties tab, which is the printer icon. This is where Blender defines how the final file will be saved. Change the file format to FFmpeg video, then set the encoding to MPEG-4. Using a stable output format like this can help avoid issues with certain raw or less reliable export settings during the final render process. Once you've made these changes, try switching render modes again and test a short render. In many cases, these adjustments are enough to stop crashes, lower GPU load, and make Blender much more stable overall. If you're still having trouble, save your project, restart Blender, and test with a simpler scene to isolate the issue. And that's it. A simple Blender render troubleshooting setup to help fix crashes when switching modes or rendering heavy scenes. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with the exact crash you're seeing so I can help with more Blender fixes in future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.